This is a Jamaican gangster, or hothead as the locals call them. As you can see from his posture and his striking resemblance to the Australian iguana, you can tell this is a real Jamaican hothead. The Jamaican hothead beverage of choice is a poison concoction called the Special. It is said to be brewed in the pit of hell, and the devil himself is afraid to drink it, and it is poisonous to mere mortals. Jamaican hotheads gain their superpower from the earth by catching their feet off their slippers to allow the energy to flow into their guzu ring. And because of this immense power stored by the guzu ring, the hothead isn't afraid of anyone.
Oi! Hey boy! Yo, why you me talking now? Where you do on the lane? You where you do on the lane? Eh?
Until...